Hi, Kelly Jacobs here, Head of Customer Experience and Conversion for Iceberg Digital. Today we're going to talk about how to create a new contract template. First, you will click on Operations and then Contracts. Now, you'll click on New Template. We suggest you create multiple contracts, like a contract for a fixed fee or a contract for a percentage fee, so that your valuers or negotiators only have to add in the contact information, price, fee, etc., and then they can quickly send it out. So, first and foremost, let's name this contract. The period of validity is how long the contract is available to be signed. After 7 days, this contract will no longer be available, and you and the contact will need to speak in order to get a new contract going, or maybe you'll just send another one out to them. The sign by section is the basically brings up a list of different users within the system, and so you can choose who the default user is, and then once the user comes in to create a new contract and send it out, they can pick themselves if they want to. Over here are tags. Tags are an identifying field, right? So you can put things in here like sales contracts or letting contracts, just to associate that particular tag with that contract. Down below, you have the ability to enter in your contract. Now, if you need to copy and paste, you will just pull it open, Control A, and then Control C, and then paste it in. Now this is the moment that takes a little bit of time, because you will need to go in and change your formatting. Once you have the formatting exactly the way you want it, then you won't have to worry about it ever again. So once you put in your contract, by the way, we do suggest that you put all of your T&Cs that don't change at the top of your contract, and then all of the bits that need to be changed down at the bottom. Remember, you want to put in everything in the contract, because this needs to be simple for your customers. They just want to sign and click done. And so the more information you can put in here, the better. Down below, you've got who we're going to notify and how. So for a contact, you can come in here and send out an email template. You can, sorry, let me move myself out of the way. Down here you can see that we've already created default email templates for you. So contract created is the email template that would normally go out after you've signed the contract. Now if you want to edit these email templates, there's an article about how to do so. For right now, I'm just going to choose the email template contract created. And then over here, you'll see your list of every user in the company. You can choose who gets notified here. And then, of course, when a contact or when one of your users comes in to send out the contract, they can add themselves. Okay, at this point, you click on Save. And here is your contract template. Now, whenever your valuer comes into contracts, they will easily be able to choose existing templates and then this contract to email out. And in here, they're able to make the changes that they need to of what to be sent out and make any edits down below. Then they look up the property and click search, or the contact and click search, and then they're able to send that out. There is a video on how to send out a contract, so have your valuers take a look at that, and I suggest you do too, so that you're able to send out contracts whenever you need to. If you have any questions at all, please feel free to reach out to us at support@iceberg-digital.co.uk. Thanks, and have a great day.